it's me again. So we're gonna do a little more chemistry today, because I love chemistry and how for some reason I used to not like it as much, but now I do. So if you want to follow along with me, you can always get this kit. But if you, and this is not sponsored. This is not sponsored, by the way. And if you want to follow along, you can. But if you just want to watch, it'll be fun. So today, you already saw the explosion one that I made a day ago. But I want to see if I put more citric acid in it to see, is it gonna change? What's gonna happen? Is it just gonna do the same thing? Is it gonna explode bigger? I just want to see. And by the way, I'm running out of my sodium bicarbonate. So if you're running out of yours, that means that if you have baking soda around, it would be a great substitute for it because they're basically the same thing. Okay. So now I only need 2 wine beakers. So I'm gonna take this one after that's the most dirtiest and kind of filled. So I'm just gonna do the most cleanest ones. So again, these are called beakers. Now I want to do the easier ones first. So we're gonna put 100 millimeters of water into one of them. So again, if you want to follow along, totally optional. If you want to do it like just watch, that's amazing. So I just filled this up with 100 milliliters of water, and I'm actually gonna top it off to 150. I want to see if that makes a difference with water. I'm gonna top it off to 150. I know I'm not supposed to, but I want to see if it'll make a bigger explosion. What will happen? So first, let me add my sodium bicarbonate. So I'm only putting half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate again because I'm running low. Even though I do have backup, I don't like using it a lot. It's a little weird. So that's about how much you'll need of sodium bicarbonate. In the little booklet that comes with the package, it tells you to use 1 full teaspoon. I don't really listen to it because I don't think they're right. But obviously you could follow what they say, but if you want, this works if you put half a teaspoon. It actually works a little better and smoother when I try testing. Okay, so now I'm done with my sodium bicarbonate, or bicarbonate, I don't know. Now citric acid, the one that we have to put 2 full teaspoons of. We have a lot, so don't worry. Okay, come out clean. Woo, there we are. Then we're gonna put another one in there. Woo! It's like sugar almost, but it isn't sugar, guys. If you run out of citric acid, do not replace this with sugar. This is not sugar. Okay. So now the best part, that, in my opinion, is the dye. I don't know why I love it. It's so fun. So I'm gonna be mixing blue and yellow together. In the booklet, that comes with it. It looks like this. It says to technically put just one of them, but I like mixing colors to make it a little more fun. You can do that as well, but if you want to follow the book, no problem. On one of it said to specifically do one color, and I followed it, so don't do a different color. Okay, so I'm going to do a little smudge of blue and a little smudge of yellow. So if you get it out, it's totally fine. You can always clean it up later. Just try to be cautious, because you just don't want that to happen. But I always mess it up, so that's no biggie. And then we're gonna put a little of yellow dye. I like putting yellow dye in there because it makes it look cool. And now this also comes with it, a swirly little stick. Hopefully you can see it, but if you don't, no problem. And now we're gonna mix it up. It makes kind of like a yellow green putty mix. It's a little weird, but I personally think that's a chemistry color. Let me clean up my area a bit so you can see. So obviously we didn't swish this around, so swish, swish, swish. It's like making pasta, but none of us can use the stove if you're under like 18, probably. I don't know. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot more of this. And now, this is the part where I don't have my goggles yet, but if you give me 1 second, I can go get them. And right now you can guys just go look and pause this video and look at how good they look. Okay, you see? They look amazing and I love them. Okay, now I'm back with my goggles because safety first. So sorry about that, but here are my goggles for safety first. Okay, so what you want to do is pour your little liquid mixture over to the powder mixture. So, you can't, so like, actually, you're so, let's not do it. I'm scared, but hopefully we can do it. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Oh my God! It basically just does the same thing. It just more. I'm so actually surprised. It just does the same. Oh, it still fizzes. It fizzes inside of itself. Let me see. Let me give a little stir. Wow, it's so cool. Okay, wow. Well, that was so cool. And I'm just gonna pour it back to this little cup for a little safekeeping. And well, hopefully you enjoyed this video.